Well, the next 4 days will decide who will win the IDFC First Bank Duleep Trophy 2024-25. Match number 6, India A, India C coming together for a good battle here in Anantapur.
Last and final round of the Duleep Trophy, and we are in warm Anantapur. It can get hotter as the game progresses, but the two captains standing alongside me, India C comfortably placed with Ruturaj Gaikwad at the helm, Mayank Agarwal making a strong impression in the last game, captaining India A, and the match referee, Mr. Sanjay Raul. Mayank has the coin.
Tails. Ball first.
Lovely.
और टॉस जीतकर जब आप फील्डिंग का फैसला करते हैं, मेरे हिसाब से 3 स्लिप्स रखने बहुत जरूरी है, लेकिन 2 स्लिप और 1 गली के साथ अंशुल कंबोज, इस युवा खिलाड़ी ने बहुत प्रभाव डाला है, विकेट्स निकाले हैं.
Well, runs away for the first runs. Nobody chasing that.
Softest of dismissal. Pratham Singh didn't even look back at the umpire. He knew he had.
पहली सफलता मिलती हुई.
Loud enough. It carries to Ishan Kishan. Mayank Agarwal this time will walk back to the dressing room.
Reaching out for it and gone! Same old trap from the fast bowler. Wider, half volley. Riyan Parag it is. Taken on the full, and he'll be grateful to the bowler. Oh, nicely driven. Did he get some bat or hand to it?
Review. Umpire to director. We have a umpire's referral for run out at bowler's end. Yeah, I can clearly see a deflection from the hand. Yeah, I am ready with my big screen decision.
Tilak Verma, the man dismissed. Oh, another big deviation. Vaishak Vijayakumar produces a beauty. Kushagra has been dismissed for that duck. Off the edge, that'll go away to the boundary. Mulani, first boundary for him.
शम्स मुलानी वापस इन्हीं की तरफ देख रहे होंगे कि क्या आप कितनी और मदद कर सकते हैं.
Nicely played off his pads. He doesn't miss out on those opportunities. Shashwat Rawat. Played away into the gap. There's a bit of hesitation from the fielders.
$67 for 5. 29 ओवर की समाप्ति और धीमे धीमे गति के चलते अंपायर ने जैसे बेल्स हटाई हैं उसका अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं कि अब लंच का समय हो चला है.
29 overs have been bowled, and they'll be satisfied with the way things have gone for them. Ruturaj Gaikwad will be happy with the way the bowlers have performed in the morning session, and at lunch India A have a lot to think about. But now all good to go after lunch, with Pulkit starting the proceedings. Ashwath gets away with the single.
रन आएंगे यहाँ पर, वो भी 4 रन ऊपर डालेंगे तो नतीजा यही होगा.
Worked away fine, too wide.
आगे फ्लाइट जरूर दिया, कदमों का इस्तेमाल किया, फायदा उठाया.
चार रन मिलेंगे यहाँ पर शाश्वत को.
That's not what you want, and played away, and that will elude the fielder. Another boundary for Shashwat, and allow the batters to gain confidence. An opportunity created but that went a begging. That's played away. Comfortably hit by Mulani. And he gets the distance as well. That's a terrific six.
भरपूर फायदा उठाया शम्स मुलानी ने। खराब गेंदों को कैसे भुनाया जाता है ये खिलाड़ी को बखूबी मालूम है, इसमें कोई दूसरी राय नहीं।
And gone, just as I said. Brilliantly taken at gully. Mulani has to go.
Back-to-back 50s for Shashwat Rawat. Wonderful batting. बहुत जबरदस्त उन्होंने बल्लेबाजी की है। ऐसा लगा विपरीत परिस्थितियों में जिस तरह उन्होंने बल्लेबाजी की है, अपने आप दर्शाता कि उनके पास वो क्षमता है, रेड बॉल खेलने की क्षमता।
A big shot. And he's made good enough connection.
Oh, beautifully driven. जबरदस्त शॉट, हाफ वॉली थी, अच्छा ड्राइव। एक और रन आसानी से। रन्स आर कमिंग थिक एंड फास्ट। 52 के बाद 144 पर 6 और टी टाइम। इट इज टी टाइम।
First session belonged to the bowlers like it normally does when there is a bit of grass and a bit of moisture. Second session belonged to the batters.
बहुत बढ़िया बल्लेबाज है, कोई दूसरी राय नहीं उसके अंदर। और इस गेंदबाज की भी बात करें, कमाल की गेंदबाजी अभी तक की है। 13 विकेट्स दिलीप ट्रॉफी में बात करें, इस मैच से पहले 11 विकेट्स थे कंबोज के खाते में और इस मैच में 2 विकेट्स। मजा आता है एक संघर्ष देखकर।
Again a wide one. Again goes for the expansive drive. And again it's wide of Indrajit.
रिवर्स रन आएंगे यहां भी। 4 रन मिलते हुए शाश्वत रावत को।
In the air, it is a catch. Kamboj picks up his 3rd wicket.
एकदम अचंभे में डाल दिया वहां तनुष कोटियान को। रन आएंगे यहां पर शाश्वत के बल्ले से। कमाल का शॉट खेला
और जबरदस्त शॉट, अच्छा शॉट, कोई मौका नहीं। 4 रन। जैसे ही कमजोर बॉल आई, सही नसीहत और जबरदस्त शॉट। जैसे ही अंदर आए थे, मौका मिला, एक और चौका और जबरदस्त शॉट, बेहतरीन शॉट, कोई मौका नहीं। 4 रन।
He goes for a big hit and gets a boundary. Good hit that.
ओ जबरदस्त शॉट, एक और करारा प्रहार अवेश खान के बल्ले से आता हुआ और 6 रन।
This time he goes for the single and his partner. Avish Khan does really well. A brilliant 100. Under pressure, worth its weight in gold.
हल्के हाथों से खेलकर कॉल अवेश खान ने किया। ऐसे शतक आपको याद रहते हैं जब 36 पर 5 हो टीम और वहां जाकर आप शतक बनाएं। की बात कर रहे थे रेड बॉल क्रिकेट में आप कैसे बढ़िया शॉट्स खेल सकते हैं, ये कर दिखाया इन्होंने।
Oh, goes to reverse. He can play any shot in the book.
We'll come back to that. And that's again a big hit from the big man. Going for a single, they'll have to hurry.
TV umpire to director. We have umpire's referral for run out at far end. Director, anything from the other side, please? I wanted to check whether the ball is still in hand of the bowler or no. Yeah, I can clearly see ball is not in the hand with the for the bowler. Okay, I'm ready with my big screen decision, director.
Anticlimax as the excitement ends in the umpire declaring Shashwat not out. And in the first session, 5 wickets fell. After that, a recovery largely by way of Shashwat playing a lone hand in fighting. India Hay struggled in the morning session, but Shashwat held the innings together, Avesh Khan keeping him company. 224 for 7 is what they have reached at the end of day one. Kamboj has picked up 3 wickets and he's also been economical. Good stuff from Pulkit. Unfortunately, no wicket for him. And they've done well.